Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be playing with the newest eyeshadow palette from Jaclyn Hill's brand, which is Jaclyn Cosmetics. This is the Strawberry Feels eyeshadow palette. I believe this is the second eyeshadow palette that she's made with her brand. The first one was a collaboration with her mother for Mother's Day, and I didn't get that palette because I didn't resonate with it, and so I like this one, pinks and reds. It's my type of eyeshadow palette, and so I wanted to try it. So in today's look, I'm going to be creating a look, not sure what, but I guess we'll find out. So yeah, if you're interested, then keep on watching. Alrighty, so like I mentioned in my introduction, I'm going to be playing with the Jaclyn Cosmetics Strawberry Feels eyeshadow palette, which looks like this. How pretty is the unicorn? It has our strawberry. It's a little raised as well. And then back here shows you all the information on the eyeshadow palette. And this is the unicorn. Now I'm going to show you the actual palette, which looks like the unicorn with the cute strawberry. It's a little raised. I actually really like it. And then back here, again, it tells you some of the ingredients, the lifespan of the eyeshadow palette. And then it has this little insert for your eyeshadows. This doesn't have a mirror, it just has Jaclyn at the top, and then these are the eyeshadow palettes. I'm sorry, the eyeshadows in the palette. So this is what it looks like. So they're all really pretty. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna be creating, but we'll see. Alrighty, so first things first, I don't have nothing on my face. Well, I moisturized, but besides that, I did do my eyebrows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz and the Dual Powder, both in the shade Ebony. And then I carved out my eyebrows and primed my lids with the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre, and then I lightly set my lids with my translucent powder. So that's all I have so far, and now we're gonna get into the eyeshadow palette. Alrighty, so I'm gonna start off with a blending brush. I'm going to go into the Morphe R37, which is just a blending brush, and I think I'm gonna go into the color. Let's go into Lemonade, which is this color right here. So I'm gonna grab Lemonade, and because this one doesn't have a mirror, I need something up close. So I'm gonna grab my ColourPop Barbie mirror. So as you can see, it is pretty pigmented. I'm gonna grab that color Lemonade and apply it all over the crease. Ooh, that's pigmented. Alright, so that's what that shade looks like. It looks really nice on the lid. Now I'm going to grab a more tapered blending brush, and I'm going to go into All the Feels, which is this color right here. And I'm going to grab the brush, a Morphe M433. It's just a more tapered blending brush, and I'm going to grab that color and put it in the outer corner right here. I'm trying to pack the color because I really want this color to pop, and then I'll blend out. Alright, now I'm gonna grab the blending brush in which I use the color Lemonade and just blend out this outer part right here. Alrighty, so that's what that All the Feels color looks on the eyes. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my Morphe times Ariel A29 brush. It's a flat brush, and I'm gonna use this to apply the color, I want to say Shortcake. This one right here. We're gonna do, should I do an all matte look? I want to grab this color and put it on the inner part of the lid. Put it here. I'm going to mix it in with the color Picnic, which is this color right here. So I'm going to mix Picnic and this one right here. These two colors. I want to make my inner part of the crease a little, inner part of the eyelid a little brightness to this part here. Like so. I don't want it to be stark white, but I definitely don't want it to be dark. Now I'm going to flip it over and use the color Day Dates, which is this one right here. And I'm going to use that color to mix or to blend the white color with this reddish color. So like right here. And I'm just packing the color. I'm not getting too much pigment from that shade, but it should look something like this. Flip it over again, go into the white and the Shortcake color, and just, alright. Now I'm gonna grab that red color, All the Feels, this one, and just use it to apply a little bit more to this outer part to intensify. That way you can see all three colors that I used. So it should look something like that. Alrighty, so this is what the eyes look like. I'm gonna jump off camera. I'm gonna do my base, you know, do an eyeliner, maybe lashes, and then I'll come back and then I'll share my thoughts on the eyeshadow palette. So I'll be right back. And I'm back. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? I really like it. As you can see, this is an all matte look. I try to do a gradient on the eyelid where it goes from lightest to like the pink and then that dark red at the end, and I love it. I just feel like an all matte look, it's so classy. I did, however, let me just get my palette. I did add this shimmer sugar coated right here to the inner part of the eye and then on my brow bone. So yeah, this is, you know, basically the final look. So I think this is a really nice palette. I do think this would be good for fall as well. The only thing is this shadow right here, which is Day Date. I don't think it's really pigmented at all. Like, in order for me to get like that pop of, I guess it looks neon in the pan, but in order for me to get that color, like, I really had to pack the color. I had to go in a lot of times, and yeah, I'm not really for that. I don't have the time for that. But yeah, besides that, all the other colors that I used were really pigmented. I did love the look that I created with this eyeshadow palette, but like I said, this Day Date color, it took a while. So I think, you know, that color is not as good as the rest. Now, I didn't test out these three nude shades right here, but I guess I can always create a different look using those colors. But so far, the only dud in the palette I would say is this one. But besides that, this would be a nice fall palette as well, because it has like those reds that, you know, that you can create like a grungy look for fall. You know, like you've seen in my previous top fall eyeshadow palettes. I love the berry tones for fall, and some of these shades are in this palette. But yeah, those are my thoughts on the eyeshadow palette. I really hope you enjoyed today's eye look. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.